Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. Recently, I had created some tutorials covering how to record a transfer in QuickBooks Online that were requested by a subscriber, and it got me thinking, what are other things I don't see a lot of my clients recording in the system? And that's bank deposits, mostly when they deposit cash. So in order for the system to work, you really have to use it. QuickBooks is a tool, not a miracle. And in order to get the most accurate reporting, the system needs to match the financial activity. This is currently the business owner view of QuickBooks Online. If you are an accountant or a bookkeeper, please reference my Bookkeeper tutorial playlist. So okay, let's go ahead and get started. Head over to the left-hand side toolbar and click the New button. Under the Other column, like we did with Transfer, select Bank Deposit instead. Once in the bank deposit screen, select the account you wish to make your deposit. Don't forget to check the date. It will automatically populate to the current date of today. If you are recording a past deposit, make sure you adjust the date accordingly. What's nice about the bank deposit window is you are able to match the deposit to current open invoices. This will in turn record the payment for the invoice simultaneously. For the example, let's select Freeman Sporting Goods and select the payment method as cash. Once the deposit clears your bank account, you can head over to the bank feed and match the deposit in the system to the cleared transaction. This will ensure you don't have a duplicate in the system. For more business resources, my online self-paced Home Bookkeeper Masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any other video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. For even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And as always, if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.